Hey guys, Charlie with another video. I'm just letting you guys know I'm doing some meditation stuff today. And what I'm planning on doing is just experimenting with some of the stuff. I play the bongos too, as well as guitar. And yeah, let's just see where it goes. Thank you so much for listening. You came to me. I broke down. Won't you be the one, the one, the one, the one? You are right and wrong, but still you come to me. La 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 ba 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 la 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 ba 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 la 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 ba ba. Won't you come back to me? I love you so much, can you see it through? There's so much more to your face than I've ever seen. Can you replace this heart and everything inside of me? Like my mind is changing and I can't replace you. So let's just make this the greatest times of our lives. There's a wanting of everything I've wanted, and only you can say it's right. Pretty good, right? Yeah, thank you. Oh, won't you come to me and make everything like it should be? We should take this out to where we can see. I don't really need to tell anybody, but I can tell you that you are safe with me. And everything we talk about is completely in between me and you, and nothing else that we can see, nothing else that we can breathe, nothing else that we can't breathe. So tell me, have you ever had philosophy in your life? Because it changes everything in your life. So make it right. Do it twice. Cross your shoes and dilate your eyes. Even when I find the soul inside of me, I can take it whole, and I can be as beautiful as you want to be. And only when you look, you can feel the therapy, because you can see this person is nothing like the rest. You can see that everything you do is always put to the test. Why? Because he wants you to learn from himself. And everything that he does, he wants you to do with him. And not just because you're wrong or false. It's all about wrong and false. If you come down, you may never come back down. If you go up, you may never come back down. If you listen, you can always hear the sound of a new life.